Hello, welcome to my channel. So now I want to explain how you can temporarily disable your Fiverr account. So in order to do that, if you have Fiverr app on your phone, maybe you've downloaded it from your Play Store or your iOS or whatever. So you just go straight to the app, the Fiverr app. So here is it. For me, these are my gigs. You can see the head button is the one highlighted here. Yours might be at the home or on messages or orders, but for me it was already on the contact, so, or the head button. So you just click on it, you see your gigs, your active gigs will be displayed here. So you just highlight the particular gig that you want to post. If it is everything, you do it one after the other. So for instance, I want to post this my data entry gig. You just press it and hold it down for some seconds, like 2 seconds. Then you look up here, you see delete and the pause sign there. So just click on pause. So I don't want to pause the gig, and that's why I leave it that way. So that's it. You've paused your gig and you can go on with your other activities until you're ready to continue.